Hello, I am Yuberkov and my task for today is to create 2 new accounts for my existing chart of accounts in Quickbooks program. Let's start. Now you can show a special file where I can gather all need information for new account, and you can watch Quickbooks program now. First of all, I must tell you that we have 3 ways to create new account. First way, using account tools, click chart of accounts. Second way, click gear and again chart of accounts. And third way is transaction and again chart of accounts. Click chart of accounts. Don't matter what way you will use, we will have the same results. We can watch full list of accounts in our program for our company. I will scroll down. Yes, you can click here and choose all account. Maybe we need to do some batch actions. For example, make inactive all accounts. But our task, our important task, is create new account. I click new button. I passed name of account and I add some note. This is A will mean that this account was created by account or bookkeeper or charge bookkeeper. Now I must choose account type with real income. Scroll down, choose income. And I will choose detail type. Service and fee income. Detail type very important because our transaction in profit and losses report will grouped by detail type. Click save. In this filter I will type end. You can see I find my new account. I will clean filter and now we'll create new account for expenses transaction. I will click new. I passed the name of account. Select type, it's expenses, and detail type we will find utilities. Now you can watch, we choose account type expenses. It's mean all transaction with this type of account will gather in profit and loss report, and we choose detail type utilities. It's mean all expenses in this report will grouped by type of detail. Click save. I will use filter again and will type phone. Maybe you notice why I didn't make a note A. I click arrow, click edit and add A. Click save. Yes, but maybe my account was a mistake. What should we do? It's not problem. We click arrow and click make inactive. Yes, make inactive. I clean filter. Now in this list of account we can't find inactive accounts. But what should we do if we find that we need in our inactive account? We click setting, click include inactive. Let's use filter, type phone again and click make active our account. Now our account active again. I click setting. Our account returned to list of active accounts. Our task for today was done. I wish you good luck. Bye bye.